Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a 15-watt 2-in-1 charger. And so what this is gonna do, it's USB-C charger. And what this should do is give me the ability to charge my watch and my phone at the same time on the same wire. How cool is that? So let's check this out and see what it looks like. So that's the box. Here is I guess just some details about it. How do we get it out? There we go. Comes with a charging nugget here. And then here is the wire. So let's check this out. Let's see what we got. So let's see how long this is. Looks like it's about 6 feet. So that's nice. Let's plug this in. I have a charging port over here. Or an outlet, and then here we go. So we have two different things here. So we should be able to charge. Actually, I have a watch right here. So if I put that right on there, so let's see if it starts to charge. Look at that, it's going on. So it's working there. And I'm gonna plug you guys into my phone here I'm using to record. See what happens. And the charging went on. So looks like I'm gonna be able to do both simultaneously. So how cool is that? So very nice little thing. It makes it super convenient and easy, less wires to carry around. You just have the one wire that has both things. So especially with traveling and stuff, I'll be able to have both those at the same time. So very good. So thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.